Moss Landing Marine Labs has a long history of being at the forefront of marine science. Nestled in the heart of California's Monterey Bay, our graduate students embark on a unique ocean-focused thesis project, earning a master's degree through hands-on experiences in classroom, labs, and the field. Our students conduct independent and collaborative research and benefit from a world-class scientific diving program and our own boat operations facility. MLML students aim to pioneer critical research for marine ecosystem conservation. We are also passionate about sharing our work with the public. So please join us this April 27th, 2024 for our annual open house, a free, family-friendly event planned and executed by MLML students, staff, and faculty. You'll have the chance to explore our oceanside facilities, hear about our current research, and to talk to students about their work. For the Day of Giving and open house, we are asking for your support to fund student scholarships and activities. Your contribution enables our marine pioneers to conduct essential research, whether in Monterey Bay or Antarctica. Expenses like diving, acquiring reagents, or field samples often pose financial challenges that can inhibit timely and relevant scientific work from happening. Your donation, no matter the size, can significantly impact the success of the little marine lab that could. Help us continue our important scientific conservation work and be a part of the MLML success story.